Imagine standing in northern Europe, but instead of forests and rolling hills, there's a vast frozen wilderness as far as you can see. That's what much of Europe looked like during the Wurm Glaciation, one of the most dramatic chapters in our planet's icy past. So, what exactly was the Wurm Glaciation? Well, it kicked off about 115,000 years ago and lasted until roughly 11,700 years ago. That's way before Netflix, even before the dawn of agriculture. The Wurm wasn't just a cold snap, it was a full-blown ice age. Giant sheets of ice swept down from the north, smothering huge chunks of Germany, Poland, and neighboring regions. Imagine glaciers stretching for hundreds of kilometers, carving up the land and bulldozing everything in their path. Now, if you ever hear the names Wollstonian or Sali thrown around, don't get confused. Scientists use different names in different places, but they're all talking about the same icy epic. And it wasn't just one long freeze. The Wurm Glaciation had its own ups and downs, like the Grillen and Mindel stages, where glaciers advanced and retreated, over and over again, shaping the landscape each time. Let's talk temperatures. During the Wurm, the world was much colder than today. I'm talking about summers that felt like today's winters, and winters that would make even polar bears shiver. This cold forced everything to adapt or move. Rivers shifted course, new lakes formed, plants and animals either fled south or learned to survive in the tundra. Even humans were on the move, following the edge of the ice, hunting mammoths, and leaving behind clues about their epic journeys. The Wurm Glaciation wasn't Europe's only brush with the deep freeze. It came after the Riss Glaciation and just before the Holocene, the warm period we're still living in. These glacial cycles are like the heartbeat of the planet, constantly reshaping continents and rewriting the story of life on Earth. If you want to dive deeper into the science, geological surveys and research papers go into incredible icy detail. But for now, just remember, the next time you look at a European river valley or a rolling plain, you might just be seeing the footprints of an ancient glacier. Like, share, and follow for more cool science stories. See you next time!